In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate in Wix in just 5 minutes. So let's dive in and transform your website with some dynamic animations. To get started, launch your preferred web browser and head over to the Wix homepage. Once you're there, locate and click the Login button. It's usually at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials to access your Wix account, and you're all set to proceed. Now, with your account ready, navigate to the particular Wix site you want to edit. Once inside the editor, it's time to choose the element you want to animate. This could be anything, from an image, a text box, or even a button. Simply click on the element you're interested in. When you do this, a settings menu or panel should appear on your screen. From this menu, you'll find an option for animation. Click on it, and you'll be presented with different animation choices. These are preset animations designed by Wix to make your task easy and fun. Explore these options and select the one that best suits your website's style and needs. Maybe you want something subtle like a fade-in, or something a bit more eye-catching like a bounce. The choice is yours. Now let's talk about the different animation types you can apply. The first is the entrance animation. This is perfect if you want the element to make an impression when it first appears on the screen. It plays just once, so it's great for maintaining a clean, non-intrusive user experience. Next, we have the loop animation. As the name suggests, this one is designed to play continuously, looping over and over. It's ideal if you have an element that needs constant attention or if it plays a central role in your design. Another option is the scroll animation. This type activates when the visitor scrolls to where the element is placed on the page. It's perfect for storytelling or for guiding your visitors' attention as they navigate through your content. Finally, there's the motion and effects option, where the animation engages when the visitor's cursor hovers over the element. This interactive animation is excellent for keeping users engaged and making their browsing experience a bit more fun. And there you have it. With these tips, you can now add vibrant and engaging animations to your Wix site with ease. Remember, animations are a fantastic way to enhance the storytelling of your brand and keep your visitors' attention. Experiment with the different options and see what works best